Welcome to Everything About Accounting. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and growing field, forensic accounting. If you've ever wondered what it's like to mix accounting with investigation, this video is for you. So, what exactly is forensic accounting? Simply put, it's accounting with a detective twist. Forensic accountants dig deep into financial records to uncover fraud, embezzlement, and other financial crimes. Unlike traditional accountants who focus on preparing reports and statements, forensic accountants investigate suspicious activities, analyze financial data, and often testify in court. This field is booming because financial crimes are on the rise. From corporate scandals to cyber fraud, the need for forensic accountants is greater than ever. To succeed in forensic accounting, you need more than just number skills. Key qualities include analytical thinking, strong attention to detail, and problem-solving abilities. Communication is also critical. You must explain complex financial information in a way that non-accountants can understand, especially in legal settings. Getting certified is a big plus. Consider credentials like Certified Fraud Examiner, CFE, or Certified Public Accountant, CPA, to boost your career. Most importantly, you must have integrity. Forensic accountants must be honest and ethical, always. This career opens many doors. You could work for government agencies like the FBI or IRS, or in private companies, law firms, or accounting firms. You can specialize in areas like fraud investigations, litigation support, or even digital forensics and cybersecurity, which are huge growth areas. If you enjoy uncovering the truth and solving mysteries, this might be the perfect career for you. Let's look at how forensic accounting makes a real difference. In many high-profile fraud cases, forensic accountants are the heroes behind the scenes. They've uncovered Ponzi schemes, embezzlement in companies, and helped trace illegal money through money laundering schemes. These experts help protect businesses, investors, and everyday people from financial damage. The future looks bright and tech-driven. AI, data analytics, and cybersecurity tools are transforming forensic accounting. With financial crimes getting more sophisticated, forensic accountants must keep learning and evolving. If you enjoy solving puzzles, working with data, and making a real impact, forensic accounting could be your future. Thanks for watching Everything About Accounting. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more accounting insights. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.